Let's go. This is how I made this okuku by myself. That was 3 years ago. 3 years ago when we were preparing for our 17 years marriage anniversary photo shoot. Oh my God. In case you want to learn one or two things, yes, that is the reason I'm just dropping this video. Hello everyone, my name is Tech Beauty. Yeah, this video you are watching now is the video of 3 years ago, 2024. Yes, so I said I will do this okuku by myself because I do okuku for people, but I decided to do it by myself. Operation do it yourself. Yes, it's not easy to do it by yourself. It's not easy at all. I try my best. I just imagine. So my recent look this 2026 is really giving. It's really giving. Oh my God. My color is very dull. That 3 years ago compared to the way my color is now, 2026. In case you are watching this video, please, this is 3 years ago. This is not how my color is. So at the moment, my color. But right from time even up till now, though my color, my face is dull, but those spots you see on my face, they are not pimple spots. I always say to people that even as we speak now, though my color is like far better, but those spots you still see on my face, is in case you see me one-on-one, those are not pimple spots. Those are skin tag. When I was pregnant of my last baby, so the pregnancy reaction gave me that skin tag. Even I have it all over my neck as well, my face. So those are skin tag. Now the skin tag pronounced more because of the way my body is looking glowing, but the skin tag is still there. Appearing from distance, you think maybe it's pimples. It's not pimples. Yes, so because recently we are selling a face cream and soap that will make you look beautiful and look glowing. Yes, in case you are watching the video 2026, this one is 2024 video. I hope you are focusing your eye. Concentrate your eye on my hands. I know at least maybe you will learn one or two things if you are interested. Oh my God. For those people watching me for the first time, I'm a makeup artist based in United Kingdom. We are into makeup. We do gele, we tie gele, we do okuku. If I want to do the okuku for you, I will do it a very professional way. So this time around, I'm doing it for myself. But I really try. Yes. So we do photo shoot as well. In case you want to have your photo shoot done, call me. In case you want to whiten your teeth, call me. In case you want to fix your individual eyelash, call me. Book me for your events. We are available to travel. Because my hair was tint gold, so that is the reason I'm going to use that is gel wax. So that thing there is not just normal gel. If you use normal gel, the bead will not stay. That is the trick of I'm just showing you guys for free. Because if you use normal gel, the bead will slick away. I don't want to cut my tongue. The beads will slick away. You have to go for gel wax. Okay. Let's go. I said, let me do okuku. We use it for photo shoots. We are the one that represents Edo to the world for United Kingdom, UK. Yes, it's our culture. We are proud of our culture. So now I want to use this dark this thing so that to cover the black, to cover the gold. This one I'm applying now is, they call it dye. Look like to dye, to tint your hair. So after applying this, then I will now apply the gel wax again. So on that day, I tried to video all parts, even the step by step how I do the makeup, but it was getting darker because it's winter, and the location we choose that we will go and take the photos, once it's getting darker, you can't go. You cannot have good quality pictures there. I just said to myself that I don't want to do, okay, you see, these are the secrets we are hiding. I just bring everything out. Then you leave it, let it dry a little bit. So I just said to myself, I don't want to do indoor pictures. I want to go outside and take photos. Which my three boys, they dress like their daddy, putting on buluku, the skirt and this thing. Okay, so don't forget, this is 3 years ago video. So by the special grace of God, we are celebrating our 20 years marriage anniversary this year, 2026. You all are invited. You all are invited. We are celebrating our 20 years marriage anniversary this year. This one you are watching now is 3 years ago. I was preparing for the photo shoot, marriage anniversary photo shoot. Because I do okuku for people, I said to myself, let me try my best and see if I can do the okuku by myself. Yes, so be patient. We are almost there. We are almost there. I want you to focus. Focus, 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 focus. Try and learn. Just learn one or two things. At least focus your eye on what is going on there. Focus your eye on what is going on there. Oh, that is it. That is it. Oh, yes. So I do woman. And what I observed on this video, then I was weighing, my weight was like 85. Is it 85 then? So presently, I reduced a lot of weight. Today, January 2026, I went for checkup to check my weight and everything. So though I have scale at home, but the doctor's checkup, they will just print out everything with the blood pressure, everything. So my weight as we speak now is 68, 69. I managed to lose a lot of kilos, 17 kg. Yes. So presently, my body is more giving as at the moment. It's more giving. Yes, so these parts, I didn't show so many parts, but just exercise patient with me, because doing the recording and my husband was in a rush because the day is getting darker. So that is the reason I just take rush and do the makeup. Then I put little decoration on the okuku. So that is it. That is it. Makeup done by me. Everything done by me. That is my logo. Operation Do It By Yourself. Do it by yourself. So the okuku, I now decide to put some decoration after I put on my gown. That's it. Yes, so. Yes, so. By the special grace of God, this year we are celebrating 20. This was the time we celebrated 17. I decided to bring the video to you guys to enjoy. Just enjoy. Leave your comment down below. In case you are in UK, go to my Instagram. You are watching me anywhere, go to my Instagram, go and check my work. Book me. I'm available to travel. I'm available to travel worldwide. Celebrate yourself that you are still, now that you are still alive. We are into many things, all beauty. Go to my Instagram. The name is Deg Beauty. Contact me in case you need cream. Come on. You see the way my skin looking. But now there's a lot of big difference. I am looking shiny. Let me drop one of my picture, one of my video of the current look. Thank you. Bye.